It's actually very, very easy to start selling in different countries thanks to Amazon. So on Amazon, you've got something called global selling. Let's see if the link's down the bottom. It may be, I don't know. You've got something called global selling, okay? Of course, I can't find it. No worries. And the basics of it is this. So when you've got an Amazon.com.au account, that automatically gives you access to the Amazon.jp website, which is Amazon Japan. All right. So you do not need a second Amazon account. You get Japan included with your Australia account. So it's actually very, very simple to then start selling in Japan. Well, it isn't in actuality, because Japan's a very, very different marketplace. But from Amazon's side of things, they facilitate it really, really well for you, okay? Same goes in the USA. In the USA, it's actually, you actually get access to 3 marketplaces. So you get Amazon in Mexico, you get Amazon in Canada, and I think you also get Brazil now as well. So maybe 4 marketplaces. And of course, you get Amazon.com, the USA. So, and again, they make it really, really easy for you to sell. So for me, I sell in, obviously in .com, but I also sell in .ca, so I sell in Canada as well. And it's really, really good. It's great, in fact. So they facilitate that for you. For the UK, if you're selling on Amazon in the UK, then you also get access to the rest of the EU. So you get France, Germany, Spain, Italy, etc., etc., etc. You get all of that included in the one. In fact, Amazon will encourage you to do that. India, you do not get anything else. China, you do not get anything else, but there are different cases in point, and the structure required to sell in those marketplaces from a legal standpoint is much, much different, and that's why you don't get to bundle them together. But Amazon, Lauren, actually makes it really, really easy. Now, the second part of your question is the company side of things. Now, you don't need, now I've got to be careful here, depending on the country, you don't need to set up an entity in that marketplace's country. So, for instance, to sell in America, you do not need to set up an LLC with a bank account in the United States. You don't need that. You can use something like OFX, and the fantastic Ed Wiley from OFX, who's one of the Aussie online entrepreneurs, can help you out with that. You don't need that. So be mindful of setting up entities in countries that you do not need. So India, you need an entity. You can't sell in India without an Indian business and without an Indian bank account. And it is a monumental pain in the arse to get those 2 things. But it is doable. It's all about persistence again. So how easy is it to do? Very, very easy to do. Amazon facilitates it. Indeed, with your shipping settings, like for my Amazon.com thing, I am currently selling into 19 different countries from Amazon.com. So I get orders from all over the world. South Africa is one of my biggest marketplaces. Even though Amazon is not there yet, they'll ultimately go there, of course, but even though it's not there yet, South Africa is one of my biggest markets because I get heaps of people buying things from Amazon.com in South Africa. They buy my products, which is very nice of them. Thank you so much, South Africans. So Lauren, hope that helps. It's dead easy to do it. Amazon facilitates the process for you. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.